In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to seamlessly connect your GoDaddy domain to GoHighLevel, which enables an improved user interface and optimized control over your website's DNS settings. To kick off this process, begin by venturing to the GoHighLevel platform. Once you have arrived, direct your focus to your specific sub-account. In this sub-account, your next stop will be the settings area. Here, you should come upon an option marked as Domains. Show interest and select this option. Moving forward to the next part of the context, take note of the Connect a Domain button. This control will simply require a click from your end. Chiming in at this stage will be a prompt asking you to provide them with your domain. It is inherently important to faithfully and correctly enter your domain information, as this journey is completely dependent on accurate inputs. Having entered the domain, GoHighLevel acknowledges and responds by providing you with a unique set of DNS records. You will encounter different types of DNS records, such as CNAME or A records. Take your time and carefully note down all this information, as it will be immediately useful in the next stage. With the requisite DNS record information securely in your arsenal, it's time to move to the GoDaddy platform. Upon logging into your GoDaddy account, embark on a quest to unearth the DNS management section. This section is key to further progress, as it's where your domain resides. Armed with the DNS records provided by GoHighLevel, it's time to introduce them into your GoDaddy domain. Provided with a CNAME record, you need to claim a host, which might be as simple as www. Additionally, you will need a target. This might be an elusive name, like sites, ludicrous.cloud. For those folks who have a dedicated email domain, there will be an obligation to add both TXT and MX records. Having added the prescribed set of records, don't be too quick to leave GoDaddy just yet. You need to make sure you save these changes to your account. Make sure not to leave things half-baked. Finally, it's time to return to the GoHighLevel platform. Here, you can find the domain settings once more and scout out the option marked Verify Records. A click is all it needs to authenticate your changes. However, bear in mind that verification is not instantaneous. The Internet protocols require some time to propagate these changes across the globe. Therefore, one must be prepared to wait for about 48 hours before expecting completed results. Walking you through each and every stage, now you have a vivid idea of how to connect your GoDaddy domain to GoHighLevel, boosting your online presence and expanding your domain benefits.